Alright guys, so we got my Ram behind me. I showed you guys that we had an issue with some tires. On the passenger side, one was maybe having a bad belt. It had some irregular wear. We weren't sure if it's a bent axle or if it's the tire, so I'm at a tire shop. We're gonna go find out, and then we'll get it switched out. So if you guys don't remember, it's like pretty much bald on the inside on one part. If you guys will notice, you'll see these little dimples here, which is, you know, the tread pattern. So you kind of see them fade away. So they completely disappear here. And then all of a sudden, the other side of the wheel, they start to reappear as if there's no wear. See it hopping now.
Rim looks okay.
It looks like the tire's just jumping, right?
Yeah. The rest is off right now. Up and down, up and down.
Okay. So we got the one wheel off. These are the tires we're putting on. They've got like less than 5,000 miles on them. I know everyone doesn't like the Wrangler SRAs, but it's the same as I have in the front, at least for now. So we'll get those thrown on. There goes the other wheel. And we should be all set. So I don't know if you guys were able to see, but the rim was staying stationary on the bouncer. They only let me in there for a couple of seconds just because I guess their policies or whatever. But you could see the tire was jumping up and down, but the rim was staying consistent. There wasn't any bends in the rim, but the tire was doing this on the balancer machine. So it is the tire, which is a good sign. So we're gonna get the new ones on and then we should be good to go. All right, so there we go. We got these newer tires on here. We're all set to go. All right guys, so speed limits here are pretty intense. So we're doing 75 here in Texas, and we got no vibration, whereas before this thing felt like it was gonna fall apart. So I guess it was just the tire. So vibration's gone, and that's all it was. So I'll link the other video where you guys can go check out, you know, what caused all this or what caused me to have concern with it. Wasn't sure if it was a bent axle, but it seems like it was just the tire that, you know, maybe the belt let go in those awesome Goodyear SRA tires that everybody loves. But I still had those other two kicking around. I didn't go and buy them, so I figured I would just throw them on and we'll let the rest of the set burn up before getting some better tires. I don't know if you guys can hear it on the camera, but I don't know if it's because I let that vibration go too long, but now I've got a rear axle whine, so it's making a whining noise. So something else to contend with. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you take off, and we'll see you guys on the next video.